Welcome to the seventh class of this tutorial HTML5. We'll be talking about list in this tutorial. Alright, this was what we did in our last class. If you were in the last class, if you are not there, please try to watch the tutorial again. Alright, because of this list, we are going to start with a new sheet. Let's just take everything out. And then you can see how my browser got reloaded automatically, all because of this extension. So if you don't have it already, please download it, install it on your VS Code, click on extensions, search for live server. When you search for it, you see it here, this one right here. You click on it and then you will install. I already have it on my VS Code. So once you get it installed, then you should be able to see down here at the right bottom, you are going to see go live. You click on it, you're going to have this port number. So that is what I am doing right now. All right, we're talking about lists. In HTML has three types of lists. It has the unordered list, it's paired unordered list, and then which is a break here. It has also ordered list. There's a break here, and it has the descriptive list. So these are the three main lists that HTML has, but we'll be talking about just these two for now. All right, then how do we write an ordered list? For instance, let's say we want to list types of mango or types of fruits. How do we list that on our web page? We list that by using the tag UL. UL stands for unordered list. So whatever the list goes in li for a list, you can say mango and then pawpaw. So this, you can see that these dots that we see, these dots that these things have, shows that this is an unordered list. So remember, we have the UL and then we have the LI to list our product, to list our items. This is how we structure it. This is the structure to follow. If you first need to have the UL before having the LI. So inside the LI is where you list your items. We can list more items. We can say cucumber. Then we have it on our browser. Then what about ordered list? In ordered list, we use OL for ordered list. Then we list our items using the LI still. We can say mango. And you can see that it listed. You can say yam, for instance. You can say beans. And then we see that these things are ordered because it is ordered by numbers 1, 2, 3. So more lists you add, that is how it will get numbered. But unordered doesn't get numbered, it just gets this dot, this big dot sign that you are seeing. So this is unordered list, while this is ordered list. Alright guys, one more thing, we can add an attribute to this ordered list called type. This type, we can specify the order of the list if we want it to be number or we want it to be in alphabetical forms or in Roman figure forms. For instance, if I specify here to be A, we can see that it is ordered by A, B, C, D, like that. If I specify it to be small letter A, it will be numbered like that. If I put I here, it will have the Roman figure. So this we can actually order our list in any format that we want, either in number format. Number is the default. We can also order it by Roman figure or by alphabetical form. All right, guys, thank you very much. See you in the next class.